everyone, and welcome back to So Aldo DIY. Today I am going to make my very first arts and crafts here on my channel. So I am going to be making a giant wall decor using a shower curtain. So yesterday my family and I went to Home Goods and I found this beautiful fabric, and automatically I wanted to turn it into something special just because it is super beautiful and the colors are just like so amazing. I love all the colors that are on this fabric. For this project you will need a canvas frame. This is the frame that my husband made for me, and it is about 3 feet by 4 feet. If you don't have someone to make a frame for you, you can easily get those frame canvas from any arts and crafts stores like Joann's and Michael's and even Hobby Lobby. Just be sure to use coupons so you can save some money because they can be a little expensive. The shower curtain is basically 72 inches by 72 inches. First thing you want to do is press the fabric, because when you are stapling it on the frame, you don't want some wrinkles and folds on the fabric. So now let's go ahead and move to the next step. Be sure to have enough fabric to wrap the edges like this. Okay, so that is about 3 inches. Okay, I finished the wall decor. It also looked really nice as a background. And if you want to use it as a decorative headboard, you can also do that. I decided to put it on this wall just because this wall right here is very empty and I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to put pictures on there just because there is a door and I don't want the door slamming on the fragile picture frames. It just makes this room like more inviting as you walk in the bedroom. I just realized something, that I can actually put this bed there like off center or center, it doesn't matter, or on the edge like this. So let me know if I should add this decor. It's really nice like this. What do you think, guys? Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. It is very simple and it is sure very affordable to make. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you will subscribe for more DIY projects from So Aldo DIY.